In this video, I'll show you how to install the latest version of Visual Studio Code on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Give this video a thumbs up, grab your laptop or PC, and let's get started. First, open your web browser. Go to Google, type vscode, and press enter. From the search results, open the official website. Once the website opens, you'll see the download button right on the home page. Click on the Download for Windows button and the installer will start downloading. The file size is around 150 megabytes to let it finish downloading. After the download is complete, right-click on the installer file and click Open to start the installation. The setup window will appear. Accept the agreement and click Next. Now it will show the installation size, which is around 370 megabytes. Click Next. Click Next again. You'll see an option to create a Start menu folder. If you want, you can also create a desktop shortcut by selecting that option. Now click Install and wait for the installation to complete. Once it's done, click Finish. Now it will open automatically. And that's it. You've successfully installed Visual Studio Code on your Windows system. If this video helped you, then like it and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.